a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Jefferson County in northeastern Kansas, northern Shawnee County, northeastern Waubonsee County, southeastern Pottawatomie County in northeastern Kansas, southeastern Jackson County in northeastern Kansas, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Whiting to near Pottawatomie Reservation to near Texaco, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Holton, Valley Falls, Rossville, St. Mary's, Meriden, Hoyt, Ozaukee, Nortonville, Mayetta, Whiting, Denison, Delia, and Pottawatomie Reservation. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
With the bandana on his head, teeth that
Here
go
are
like
the
this.
9 p.m. conditions.